Whether you are an experienced gardener or just starting out, community gardening is a great way to connect with others and improve the place where you live. If you don't have a garden to call your own, community gardening means that you can share the benefits of tending a green space while helping others and the environment. Here are 3 ways to get involved with your local community garden. Number 1, join a local gardening group. Visit the RHS website and search our map for all sorts of gardening groups local to you. You can join a group from Britain in Bloom to It's Your Neighbourhood, a local school and local affiliated societies. Number 2, create a food garden. Whether you have a raised bed in a public space, a revamped piece of unloved land, or in your own front garden along the street, growing fruit and vegetables is a great way to share the joy and the taste of gardening. Hold a special harvest day and cook up the rewards. Number 3, host a switch-off gardening day. Gardening is a great way to ease the stresses of technology driven by our busy lives, so switch off and relax and encourage your community to spend a few hours gardening and socialising without any mobile phones. To find out more about how you can get involved in community gardening, visit the RHS website.